Hello students, today we are going to discuss structure of proteins. As we know, proteins are heteropolymers of amino acids. There are different structures, namely primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So, we are going to discuss these all four structures one by one. Biologists describe the protein structure at four levels. The sequence of amino acids, that is potential information in protein, which is the first amino acid, which is second, and so on. It is heteropolymer, means this monomer is different, this monomer is different. This chain is made up of different monomers. That's why it is called heteropolymer. The positional information in protein, which is the first amino acid and which is the second, and so on, is called primary structure. The information about this is first amino acid, this is second amino acid. The structure describing this information is called primary structure. A protein is imagined as line, the left end represented by first amino acid. This is first amino acid. And right end is represented by last amino acid. First amino acid, this end is called N terminal and this end is called C terminal. A protein thread does not exist throughout as extended rigid rod. Rod like structure नाही येते, ते helical structure आहे. The thread is folded in the form of helix. Helix म्हणजे staircase like structure, वळणावळणाचं structure, नागमोडी structure. The thread is folded in the form of helix, similar to revolving staircase. Of course, only some proteins of the protein thread are arranged in the form of helix. In proteins, only right-handed helix are observed. हे असे right-handed helix पण कधी कधी प्रेझेंट असतात. तर हे असे जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे त्याला काय म्हणतो, बीटा प्लेटेड शीट. राईट हँडेड हेलिक्स प्रेझेंट असतात त्याला काय म्हणतात, बीटा हेडेड शीट. आणि जे हेलिकल किंवा रिव्हॉल्विंग स्टेअर केसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतात त्याला काय म्हणतात, अल्फा हेलिक्स. दिस बोथ कम अंडर secondary structure of protein. Next is tertiary. The long protein chain is folded upon itself like a hollow woolen ball. एखाद्या लोकरीच्या गोळ्यासारखं दिसतं ते, एकावर एक ठेवलंय, असं बंडल केलंय त्याचं. That structure is called tertiary structure of protein. This gives us a three-dimensional view of a protein. Tertiary structure is absolutely necessary for the many biological activities of the proteins. Some proteins are an assembly of more than one polypeptide or subunits. The manner in which these individual folded polypeptides or subunits are arranged with respect to each other. Example, linear string of spheres. Spheres are arranged one upon other in the form of cube or plate. हे कसं दिसतंय, दोन तीन गोळे एकत्र असं बांधून ठेवले, one sphere on the other. The structure is called quaternary structure of protein. Adult human hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits. 2 of these are identical to each other. 2 subunits of alpha type, 2 subunits of beta type together constitute the human hemoglobin. So we discuss the structure of protein primary. This is first end, this is last end, this is called N terminal, this is called C terminal. This is revolving staircase structure or helical structure. So this is called alpha helix. This is The right-handed rod-like structure. This is called beta-plated sheet. This is hollow woolen ball-like structure that called tertiary structure. And this is structure which looks like one sphere is kept on other sphere. That structure is called quaternary structure. So this is all about structure of protein. So keep watching, keep studying. Thank you.